Welcome back to Bucktool. Today we're introducing the awesome DC50 movable dust collector. The DC50 features a 1.2 HP high-efficiency electric motor that delivers enough power. It combines a multi-layer filtration system to quickly and effectively remove dust and debris, keeping your workspace clean and safe. Whether it's woodworking or DIY projects around the house, the DC50's superior suction power and portable design make it ideal. It can also help you keep your environment tidy on construction sites, arts and crafts, and even in janitorial services. When choosing a DC50, consider the following: frequency of use, application, and power tool compatibility. Dust holding capacity and cost effectiveness are also important. Make sure it meets your needs. With smart choices, you'll be able to maintain a clean, safe working environment in woodworking and a variety of DIY projects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow Bucktool for more useful tools and exciting content.